Name one thing that is ubiquitous, omnipresent, empowering yet crippling. We can't leave the house without it. That's right, I'm talking about your mobile device. The supercomputer you're walking around with that gives you so much power in the palm of your hands and your fingers. Make this device your friend. Make it your assistant that helps you improve and increase your productivity. In this session, I want to introduce you to 5 apps that I have on my mobile that I think will give you that power and make you more efficient and effective. So first one is Scannable. As you probably know by now, I do a lot of doodling. I like to draw, and doodling allows me to bring two of my passions together, the art and agile. I use doodling and illustrations extensively while explaining concepts or brainstorming on new product offerings. I use doodling and sketching when I'm having one-on-one conversations or explaining concepts on a piece of paper as well. With Scannable, I can take a picture of the masterpiece, my doodles, or my handwritten notes. To do this, put your drawing on a contrasting background. Load up your Scannable app, aim and snap. That's it. This app gives you a very crisp and clear image by automatically eliminating glare and flattening the image. It also understands, because of the contrasting background, it understands what is paper and what is the background. Office Lens is from Microsoft, and this app does a similar job as Scannable, but I use it primarily for taking pictures of the whiteboard. Again, being an agilist, I'm highly collaborative and often I'm at the whiteboard explaining various concepts to individuals or group of people that I'm working with, and we are collaborating at the whiteboard. I'm using drawings while using different color Sharpies to illustrate the concept, using whiteboard as my canvas. Office Lens does a great job of taking pictures of whiteboards. Again, all you have to do is aim and snap. This app is smart enough to figure out what is the whiteboard area and what is the background, and automatically pans to get the area appropriately while eliminating the glare. The end result is a crisp and clear image of your whiteboard. Now, if you're taking a lot of pictures like me, the storage can become a problem. Being an agilist who loves art and doodling, I take a lot of pictures. And the limited storage space on my mobile device could be a problem. This is where Google Photos comes to my rescue. You can configure Google Photos to sync pictures from your mobile to your Google Drive automatically. With Auto Sync configured, I can take a picture and my mobile automatically uploads that to my Google account. The advantage here is that you get unlimited storage, number one, and number two, all your pictures are available anytime, any place, any device. You also don't have to worry about losing your pictures. In today's world of remote work, Miro has become my go-to tool for all the online collaboration. Easy to use with lots of useful features, Miro is my go-to tool in this online remote working environment. In the past, I have used Evernote for managing my professional life, while OneNote keeps my personal life organized in the online environment. More recently, I started using Notion, and I'm a big fan of it now. In the digital world, Once in there, my notes are available from any device, anywhere, any place. It also helps you reduce the use of paper. In return, you are helping the planet save some trees and helping the planet. Very easy to search and highly collaborative. These note taking apps will take your productivity to the next level almost immediately. And Notion has in fact become my second brain now. These are some of the apps that I have on my mobile and I'm always using them. I'm also looking to explore and add more such apps to my toolbox. So, what are your go to apps on your mobile? Share them with the community in the comments below.